Live to Michael McCarthy, CMC Markets Chief Market Strategist, and it was a terrible close for the market today.
Yes, it was. Down almost 10%, sitting just above the 5,000 mark, and every sector finishing in the red today. It was just a terrible day for Australian investors. And the falls that we saw came despite emergency action from both the US Federal Reserve and the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, who both slashed interest rates to zero. We also heard from the Reserve Bank today. It told us it was ready to buy bonds in the market to increase liquidity and will make a policy decision on Thursday, which many traders interpreted as a rate cut to come in Australia. But none of that did any good to the Australian market. Energy shares the worst sector, down 13.5%, but many were hit hard. Industrials were also down 13%. Banks and other financial stocks fell 11%. So some real damage done in the market today. Volumes were down a little after ASIC introduced restrictions over the weekend to ensure the market integrity, but that didn't stop the sellers. And perhaps the worst part was the market gave up 100 points at the close. And when we see that sort of movement at the close, it's an indication some sellers have been left unsatisfied and could be putting pressure on the market again tomorrow.